Let's go. Do you want to do the intro?
You like putting me on the spot, man.
I'm always on the spot. What do you mean?
Okay. Should I start? Locho ther kwa tanganedza kha another episode of the Black Couch Diaries. Ndina wapha na ngwamuswa.
I can't believe we're saying this now.
Ngwamuswa until any new person no amubona ndi ngwamuswa. So ngwamuswa watu.
Ngwamuswa uskera June.
Exactly. If I haven't seen you kana ndanumona nga September ndi ngwamuswa. Actually
and
September ndi
ngwamuswa. I haven't seen you since last year November.
Chundikare.
Yeah, because Venda, did you go to Venda though?
Yeah, not the Venda nga December. I went home nga December.
Then why did you come to the event?
I was not home. Don't decide it's about nini.
Why?
I had like a family thing.
Oh, a family thing. That's
yeah,
why.
that's why I don't barrel streak.
Oh, it was.
But I went to the other one, Museola Mama.
Yes, and then this year.
Yeah, and oversee.
I was worn out. So this December we plan as well. I was very careful. Yeah, like that. There was this. I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna do. This I'm not gonna do. This I'm gonna do. You know, the plan of job because that thing you did of Empire doesn't work.
No, and the December is short. Even
Nazo plan I still felt like ndoneta because when I came back, we are the 28 right after the day after the event.
Oh, only New York decide
in Cape Town.
Oh, okay.
So Robuya got 28, which was a Sunday. Flight was Monday morning.
Hey. There's no time to rest.
Do you understand now? And then when I got to Cape Town, I think Mudau was before okay. No net like
for no way
Oof, I was so tired. I was sleeping the entire vacation.
Hey.
Trust me, guys. I think also in old age.
Old age. Marufano allocate chunga chawera. December na ni yaguru fresh.
I got home at
January.
Jellyf.
And then the jellyf in January.
And then December.
Oh, nerval.
You see, Maduba because I also have to prepare for zip and paint and whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we do close.
At least we're not like Rene, sure.
Mara, that means you guys have more leave days.
No, we don't. I think I have 20. Not 20, mean 22.
Then not 20, wrong. Oh, no, 22.
Hey,
something per month.
Yeah. Mara, apparently, dependent on the level.
Yes, managerial,
Mara, so
whatever.
far.
In nothing, you're
going to
yeah, but it was great. It's just how copies eventing.
Yeah. What piece of it? That was the
felt like my
paint
makeup was melting. Oh, sleep paint was amazing. Now you don't want to go all black.
Venda busy.
I am just busy in Venda. Okay, guys, we're all busy. Venda in December is the place to be. I don't think nobody can convince me to go elsewhere. Although, yeah, this year I'm reconsidering it. Mara.
Hey, Venda December.
Oh, guys, anyway, you don't get to eat it. Venda December is
no, baby, it's far that side compared to where I stay. That's why. Hey, yeah, December gan.
Back room swinger.
The door, yeah,
January. Because you don't need much. You're not even gonna sleep there.
Yes.
Chiponji, Baffridge, Chiboni.
Exactly. Very important.
You need that. Very important.
Yes, I guy.
But it was amazing. How was your December?
It was nice. Yeah, what was I doing?
Family stuff.
Yeah, I had family things. I think did I go late?
Then you probably went there late.
Yeah. But so I can work from anywhere. So it doesn't matter on the guide.
I can't wait to get a job like that.
You should. It's important. Not to go to office every day. Can't be my life.
Do you know, Niva, you're mostly exhausted in traffic before
yes.
you get to the office. And I'm like...
by the time you get to work, no kwata. Obviously.
Email irritated because you're like, you're already frustrated from the road rage.
Exactly. So no just you have a easy morning. Okay, depending on
I always have easy mornings. Okay, so I have slow mornings.
Yeah, slow mornings.
You'll never find me running in the morning. I don't rush, eh?
Yeah.
No.
Over early.
Yeah, I give myself an hour 30 or
that's
less.
more than enough, yeah.
Ndikomuzori ndiyapedza ndadzura ndadzura parking
uthoma ngachifhinga
7.
Oh damn. Achesa ngachifhinga
3:30.
Oh, okay. None I'd like that.
Yeah, also ndiya traffic man, not like that. Not like
yeah, I will bet so.
Jena nga 8
kandi jena nga 8.
Any other traffic like horrible.
Yeah.
So I have very slow mornings. You wouldn't think I'm going to work. I pick out clothes.
Maros yanyage
I'm not
urobodzi kochamushumo.
Jaya in my life.
Gore was stress.
Already my brain is very quick, so when I do decide to have the time to do stuff, I'd rather have a very slow morning. Now we're doing dinner. Our dinner is 8. I mean, I was like, I still get reading at 5 or 6.
Yeah, was it because rushing now just what's
together,
music,
podcast background, listening to some American story time. That's what I always do. Yeah. So I don't know. I know this is not
film Panda Studios.
Guys, marani wodiba na wiwebo. Okay, guys, coming to you live from Panda Studios. I'm assuming to the Waliwa. And what Mele Street?
38 Mele Street.
38. Great. Yeah, welcome back, guys. We're so sorry for coming back late. Every single week it was either you were not there or I'm not there.
Busy.
Yo, guys. It has been so busy. You know, this is the only weekend in that rest. I'm doing it at the woods. I actually had plans for yesterday, but I even told my friends, I'm like, I don't want to do anything. Like,
yeah, I like weekends and relax and that's
like, I don't want to do it. I literally showered from pyjama to pyjama. I didn't want to do because I could feel and this is so unhealthy, you know.
Been out here beginning of the year.
And I'm like, this is becoming very unhealthy. So I took time yesterday and I was like, let me just reset. So from Friday, I don't know about today after this, but
you'll be outside.
No, I don't. Guys, if it was just me, that was I swear.
And then my turn. But you must enjoy. You'll never be this young.
That's what I always tell myself.
So, for no enjoy it.
I actually have a colleague who's like, okay, I'm about to have 70, but I don't know about 10. So she always says to me, every weekend she has something going on. If it's not a what walk, it's a what. And I'm like, if she's still this active,
exactly.
Who am I?
I know who
am I?
Exactly.
I remember this one time Risha for golf thing. She's like, I think your skirt is kind of too long, and I'm like,
Banyagori, the bed.
She's a bed. She was.
Yeah.
Because the chicken grew because she's like,
exactly.
Girl,
and the furniture just out to run.
And I'm like. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, I do understand. I think Kartuminga Pirates Rebecca.
You hurt us.
So basically, we were not on TTM. That's the only
you hurt us.
So wait, game me
recover. Renessa Pirates team yo winner.
No liwaro in a space of 2 weeks.
And there are 2
you go to TTM. Apana na kofoka ngorwa.
Recobero hila.
Sorry. As geese. Like, do you get emotional, Team Yuliwa? Are you at that?
I do get hurt, but I know move on. I will have to work hard.
No, but then I've seen how men get affected.
I know, like there are people when we were invested, like Ndiabona Bora. Ndiabona Bora and they're in a stadium, like
I've seen you go to the stadium a couple of times.
Yes. Like they'll enjoy. Like I'm committed, not committed like that, but like they enjoy a Bora.
Where did you get it from?
My dad.
But your dad is not even a Pirates fan.
My dad's a Kaizer Chiefs fan. Don't ask me what I mean. But
did you not date someone who supported Pirates and you just fell in love with it?
No, even supporter. I remember telling my uncle because he's a Pirates fan or rich keep and there's no rich keep a chunk.
Yo, no,
I don't
old school.
No,
old school one.
He's
gorgeous.
Old school. But
it's too old school what is
that? That time denied.
No, guys,
no one at the first Richie. And I won in a border.
Old school.
Yeah, old school is Nacha Chiefs. I wouldn't get that yellow.
hechilani chiva chichitonga ningambara ntu mateki abiyene like it's like
mara nambara notechanaka stadium
no
don't hate it
no guys no ariko hana ndi label mara chovipa nalo vitonziona dzovipa
ukwamba chipiro chila cha stripe cha
away test zvaboda zvine ndi hedzila dzi jerseys the ones that men are obsessed with ndonobona zvichinga zvona kanyana
cha
red and mean is it Arsenal or whatever
natitoveridza
zvila una zvimwe zvine azvi bad guys my nails inaivona ni be mafungoni avantu I was actually telling my person ndo angwambara bandage
utotongoveisara kanti
but guys excuse I guess God wanted you guys to see me for who I am anyway
as long as usvika
aizvilani no chibuya karenge chako school kuti mumbera do this for me
ndichirenga
look like a
mara utoringeriwe zvila so it's not like
you cannot be no you can tell the person what you want you cannot be a baddie irena belly ring awamba relationship it doesn't work
chichava thank you.
You see, you just told them I did. I was making an example. You actually confirmed it.
That's to announce.
Na mimi wadri panic photo.
And I just about was ngobona.
About they bona.
Bawo. Unorenga. And abajena ka YouTube.
So I think if you want to konela TTM mara
not even nero ko winner. But the new players and stuff. Rafano recover by Saturday ngoro kutamba na Chiefs for Kadeb.
You guys are I win.
Saturday Mudau years 2080.
Damn.
I know. Ndochua hapa into FNB. You did. It's like an annual. No, the one with you. Unfortunately, I went last year, and a Rowena.
Where are you going?
And the one Limpopo have a family thing.
Family.
I'm joking.
I think it's
we have a 21st. I'm Zoranga. So
I think it's high time you start your own family. Wait, there's a family.
Hey. No, we're a supportive family. I'm always doing family things.
Speaking of family, did you watch the episode of Onichandam?
Yes. Usually some episodes ndibona the clip and then ndasichabona the full episode. Mara yabo ndobona the clip and I was like I have to watch it. Nabazora ngosambuchi Venda were like, "Oh, we saw the clips.
She is so
Did you watch the whole 2 hours?
Actually, beds. And we I'm sure an hour something.
Yeah.
What?
No, but you know what I took from her, which was very important, was the fact that Mutuvano bara bugu.
Yes.
I love that part. Let's read. Let's be a society, community Obara, you know.
And I would really love to take that, but I'm not really a fan.
There's no about young people.
Not like your
no, but you must read. No, I think it doesn't matter Rukobara mini.
And it's anga.
But also, you know, when I was still in high school, my English teacher used to like encourage us to read because it improves your vocabulary.
True.
Although they were my and
in
stuff.
terms of vocab and novels, I've realized I've got words and then that's going to like, where did this word come from? I'm like, I read it from.
Exactly. Even like Achkobara and you don't know a word, you know, you build your vocabulary. And that's one thing I took from there. I was like, okay, this is very important. But I know like when I was in Mudau, I know Azubara.
You know,
it's too
funny enough, I think she's very funny, but at the same time, she's putting like real facts across. Like,
True.
There's a part where she mentioned Uri as a woman. Like, apparently, one of verse in the Bible that speaks about how hard marriage is. I didn't know.
Is it?
Yeah. Urimbingano iya konda wara. I'll go look for it. And then again, she was like, women usually go into marriage looking for something specific. True. And whatever you're looking for, it's important for you to accomplish it on your own.
I also...
But that's what the freedom is. But the freedom is actually outside, not inside. And it's something that I always say.
Yeah.
I feel like marriage makes sense for men and not for women.
That's true.
If we're going to be honest.
It's not a lie. Didn't go.
It's a convenience for one. In America, it's like... Okay.
And then what? Yeah.
Okay, you can cook, so...
No,
okay, with the cooking thing, I don't mind. Actually, I prefer cooking alone.
I don't even be in the kitchen.
Why are you there? Like, why are you there? What do you mean should I help you chop? You're going to chop it wrong. Like, just go, just disappear.
Yeah, leave me alone.
So I think she made really important points.
No, independent because men will use money or control.
Guys, and I feel like a man should be a provider. It's true. A man should provide. And you know I believe in that so much. Like, I'm a firm believer of must. But already akodori high usongo situation in the you get it. If you can't do it, it doesn't mean I won't be able to travel from A to B.
True.
I won't be able to have a place to sleep because you said no. Already akodaka to the like luxury. Like okay, if already, then he can buy me a bigger one. But if you say fuck off, I can go to my 2-bedroom house.
Exactly.
Do you get what I'm saying? Like
yeah, exactly.
I don't want anybody to make me.
As a person, are complete.
Yeah.
You know, not even like material things. Like you must be happy yourself. You must have
Valid.
Emotionally. You should have worked on yourself. Now you're a whole people.
Yeah.
Not now you're dependent on that person. Or
Exactly.
I'm not happy. Namsongita said no.
So if he doesn't say good morning, your entire day is ruined. I think you need to work on yourself, work on your insecurities as well.
Yeah.
Because now, it's and then what? So every day he must tell you your nose is small. Okay, go chop it up. Go under the knife.
That's a problem.
Because what do you mean? Exactly. So I feel like we're very dependent on other people, depending on men financially, depending on them emotionally. He has to make me happy. He needs to buy me flowers. I buy flowers all the time.
I also buy my flowers all the time.
Like, bro, like coming back home to flowers you didn't expect is good. But like
imagine.
You need to start working on yourself before you expect anybody else from outside to come and do it for you.
That's true.
So actually the does what is okay. What's
the corner?
Hey, I need to make the makeup
exactly.
All of a sudden lipstick why now? You get it. Can you want somewhere I don't if he wants to. But then I really think that's what I picked up. Or the women need to be more independent. Yeah. And I think we are trying. Have you seen the women in the working
I'm proud.
Space?
Yes,
Guys,
I'm so proud.
Are doing so well.
It's very impressive. Like I remember like just going around and we're walking like down the not walking like roka elevator like we're really living our dreams.
That's true.
Because we can do anything we want. Like
I always feel like that.
You
know what I feel like? The other time we were doing some deliveries Zamabudi. So Nani comes to my workplace. So after work we do that and then we're like, we're not traffic. Let's just chill and have a drink and smoke. And then we were laughing about it. We're like, dude, this used to be Tsalanang all generation. This is when they used to go after work, bruh. Like, this is exactly it. Like, visiting your friend at their apartment, knowing you can sleep over if you're tired, not having to get permission to do anything. I'm like, this is exactly what we prayed for. And you are looking at the small pieces and you're like, yes, I want more, Mara.
Where you are now, you prayed for this, and it's very important to enjoy or instead of. I think we also have this thing of you as people those more you always want more. I want more, obviously, but if I know appreciate about and be grateful. Okay, that's very important.
Look around you and smile, man. Look around you and be happy. I think we are living you see the girls you see in the movies, the ones that would go to have drinks after work, that and I'm like, and unfortunately this is life. It doesn't get. This is it. And then you get to a point in you're gonna save for traveling abroad, even if it's once a year or once in 3 years, even if it means saving to go to Mpumalanga with your girls. This is it.
Exactly.
This is it.
It's
this
beautiful,
is it, guys.
Man.
It's so beautiful to watch.
Yes.
I at Woolies after work, and you see those girls, and I'm like, yes. Yes. And you see them park their little cute cars, and I'm like, yes.
And I love it. I love it.
Walking into boardrooms all confident and stuff, and I'm like, it really does not get better than this. This is it.
True.
So women need to be independent.
Go
get that degree. Go get that job. Don't stop applying. Clean up your LinkedIn, man, guys. You're preaching to the Instagram. Your LinkedIn, clean up your LinkedIn, put a bio, comment on other people's stuff. That's how you keep the engagement going on LinkedIn. So, guys.
One episode deal.
Yeah. Also, a lot has happened this year. Venda the floods. I'm just glad radio and this year. How is I gonna come back?
No, because we are like, was it 20th of January? But no, it wasn't bad. Like deep down there, because so it wasn't bad. But
I think your finger was just worse. Hela ine okhela na bridge yo. Yeah, okhela wa bala batho ba go ya go Bostoka.
I didn't hear that story. Who tell me?
Masomalia baboko yo. Okay, tipa la bridge ya do. Okay, I don't know why this is funny. It's not.
The bridge and they layer those round.
Yes, that's
okay.
So now I think, guys, allegedly, that is your TV on Venda. So okay, una madi, people can do ups and downs to town. So whenever I want a business opportunity, ba vanga baki bako stock. Baba ngarangara anepala.
Madin.
Baba koto di obasa wanari wara. That's what happened. So in my head, I'm like, I really want to feel sorry for them. At the same time, because okay, they need to make money. Money needs to be made. Whenever langa yo
opportunity, mara.
You know, zambore ziphaza zovara ziphaza ziko auchena chitungoro watu warenga zote. I do get that they were trying to work, but at the same time, at what point are you willing to say I'm hungry but I can't do this? Because what do you mean you drove?
And over a bed, no risky.
Niko fela uyo ustoka
shukuru. Like, did they ever find them?
I don't know. I didn't really follow up. And then why? And but was kumbela chopper the whole time. Oh, you video wala muna kumbela chopper.
No, I didn't.
So Maginya the boy. It's okay. And the send and then got a video wala muna kumbela chopper. Wo suana.
Why was you chopper?
As a citizen of the swing. Zari, I will even do it myself.
Oh, shame.
People really wanted to take that opportunity and jump on it.
But it's also scary because but have insurance for their houses, Mayani. So uchibana damage the floods and stuff.
That's true.
So it should just say this
and nobody's coming to save you. Nobody.
Yeah, you're gonna save yourself. On insurance on Namini, you must sort yourself out.
That's quite sad. I feel like Venda, there's just been a lot going on. Also, Vanabono stop this year. It's only fair. Because Ngamvura, there was a time.
Yeah, Sophia was late.
The last 2 days. No, the last 2 days or so.
Oh, for great.
Bad.
Bako macha.
But why go practice that before? Because the armed forces day was yesterday.
But don't they have like their area no practice or no? But
I think our question is Tabani or something. But somehow they were just very busy at that time. So yeah, guys, I need somebody to help me understand. Those people are armed forces day. Marabala wonga parachute before. I don't get it.
Like one video. Currently, so it was,
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect.
I just saw them marching. I didn't see it.
It killed me. Like, that got burned off. I'm like, no, guys, I can't take other people serious at all.
Yeah.
So also, I'm just very glad that it happened in Venda. I don't know who decides on or she decided this one or we do a guide this year or whatever. The Armed Forces Day. But I think it was a beautiful experience for Venda. You're seeing the Lord I'm sure.
Yeah, nabatu around. Yeah. Zvinazi benefit
zvona univene vana dzi boyfriends zamasore
kuno vungozi
aunana vungozi nabuti
vatu vazvigidhi
vodeployiwa na polisa
ndingasite mini.
Would you not date a guy wa polisa?
No.
Why?
Unozvifa zvitori zvone
vose jeni vangomuita
ndishapu ne I don't want. And would you wa polisa kana sore?
I don't know. Okay, guys. Almost everybody has a gun now, so.
And they're sharp.
But you know that, right?
They don't need a danger.
They don't need a gun to kill you.
And I'm tiny,
I watch a lot
of
crime documentaries, so they don't need a gun. But anyways,
we'll cross the bridge when we get there.
Ndabona ingopose to vanga vakuri recordivwa voda at least vana vavakolwa kudiwa masole asiyoni. But now
but at least it also exposes them to see different, because see as masolo unga umbro tonga ndiabelo ambara military fades, but there's different like
yes,
but the Air Force, what's the mean, so
they got to see things that I haven't even seen.
So exposed.
I just witness and so at least the younger kids that are seeing it now, they now know how to talk about it better.
Or it's career choices, but those are the guy.
Yes,
there's a lot they can do.
I wanted us to speak about the taxi accident. I know it's a very sensitive.
If you level,
yes, because we're not shooting.
That thing was sad.
But then, what does it mean now? Does it mean parents who can afford to take their kids should actually resort to that? Should consider
taking them? But also,
yeah.
But okay, I'm shooting my children. I want to go to that direction. I know I'm shooting that direction because one. So there's also that. I don't think I think back on and can take their kids to school would do that. But the reason why Bachikoba Nameds as it takes and everything is because they can't.
And my chat also happened Uri. It could have been your car. So it could have been your
problem
car as
accident.
Well. Because
even
remember Okakawa City?
Yeah.
So it could have been in So you can't really run away from it. But then it takes me back to what we spoke about. Richiko Shuta, a review. Shtanga posted the clip. Did you see that interview? Yeah, well, we're talking about having kids. I think that's one of my biggest fears. The fact that you can't control.
And hope for the best. Because you can't always.
That's my chat.
There's only so much you can do.
But I don't want to do that.
Because you can't be a helicopter parent.
No. So I'd rather not be a parent, maybe.
Yeah, that's also an option. It's not by force of baby tea.
That's what I'm saying. Uri, I don't think I'm strong enough to take something like that.
How do you even me. That lady always over about her?
Personally, I wouldn't have made it from. I don't think I can recover.
How do you even recover from that?
I've seen what grief does to me, and to lose Imagine if it was a baby. I can't come back from it. So I think of it and I'm like, yes, because the only thing you can do is pray. True. But I'm at an age where I'm old enough to understand that you don't always pray for stuff and they happen. You don't always pray. Things happen the way God wants them to happen.
Yes.
You pray. You can pray whatever you want to pray. But
true.
The script is there. He's just looking at you when Moses and there for Hashem. Exactly.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I don't think I'm strong enough.
Yeah, it's just too
I don't think I'm strong enough to see my baby for the last time. I don't think I'm strong enough with that captain and I'm like, oh yeah, this is it.
That's my biggest
problem. So I am my only problem. Okay, go to the weird. I even laugh at it. Do you think
don't
death
think
is
like
painful?
That. I don't know. Maybe it depends how you're going to die. I heard Udziwunga is the most painful way to die because apparently your neck and your just separate. But I don't know, maybe accident where the process of you dying, where maybe you're stabbed with okay, this is a bit graphic. But I think it could be maybe an instant death would be less painful. But apparently, when your soul separates from your body, it seems like they take this. But it sounds painful. So I don't know. I've never seen. So I
personally don't think it is. I have this thing in my head where I think it's not. Because
I'm
thinking, yes. Because I've heard people when they car crash, and then just go and this bad day. Yeah, that's what they say. All I remember is hearing Mang screaming and then that was it. Because you know what adrenaline does. I feel like it responds. So my chat is, then paradise. Right?
Hopefully that's what happens.
I don't think it hurts because I've seen also now as bad data, they get better before they die.
Yeah,
they speak
I wonder
before
why.
They die. Because I think it's peaceful. Personally, I believe it's peaceful. I think that is why Nabake Guru Nabakara Vachibo Arua, they don't mind dying. Also, Mara, then they know it's not painful because they're not looking forward to pain.
They don't
then
know
they've seen.
They're just tired of living. They're just exhausted of being here on earth. It's ghetto here.
I don't think it hurts, guys. Anyways, comment section.
Hey, this is morbid.
Okay, these are the type of things I search on TikTok, guys. Those who don't know, this is how my brain works on a normal day. I'm searching, do you think what? Got 2 a.m.
I want to pin roll.
How does a giraffe sleep? Guys, this is why ndina insomnia atilali ngori ndivana kumbula
TikTok ingoruga.
But anyways, guys, please help me out. I don't know. I want us to move to okay, yeah, the taxi thing. That's going to go riambing.
Marana case it's still ongoing.
And the guy looked very remorseful, but in my head I'm like,
he
it's
looked
too
young,
late.
remorseful. Bangas chabuya. Yeah.
Do you think that thing you could do a what do you call it? For example, even if achinga diri, I didn't mean to kill them because Velen and then or whatever. Or I have a video or you really killed someone. Don't you think?
Fair. Especially South Africa, man. But
because like nanga wonder maybe as
but apparently statistics according to statistics allegedly chances of it being are less than it being true. What the Botswana, they still hang people.
Yeah, I think we need to do
we
that.
We do need to bring it. There's a lot of crime in South Africa. Did
you see that?
I didn't watch that video. I just saw the first few seconds. I was like,
when it was a mental thing, bipolar, whatever. Bro, like somebody lost a life and the videos and the family has to witness how their child died online.
Yeah,
and
he was young and 22, that guy. Yo. No, there's a lot of crap. I'm in South Africa. Have you seen like one independent? But nice.
They're getting free education, free food,
free everything. Speaking
of jail, I heard she was shit or deny.
He's been Marola, I think all because get a matada. Because you can't continuously like crime or expect tourism. I
really thought his thing was gonna change him.
Yeah, nane accident when I watch it and then he's gonna have a new child. I saw girlfriend.
It doesn't bring back the child that's gone.
It doesn't. But they try to use that as a reason or a court. I want a bail. Have you know the crime from did he allegedly step counter and
I hate it because I love his music. Okay, not like entirely,
but it's part of the culture. Yeah, music wa Limpopo. So yeah, we do. But like when they deny him bail, I think the first 2 times, the second time or the first time, was like, I'm just like,
no, but I think
but allegedly methamphetamine. Used to, yeah, the crime and stuff. It's because of drugs. So I think they were maybe commit or ring.
As you on something.
Yeah. Also, and everything.
No, yeah. Something. Also, guys, before Richie Angwati, we've got a grocery giveaway. Students by Univen or Techniven or around Venda, just for students. So we want to know why you should win in less than 30 words. So ngapanda we emphasize if you know essays. So less than 30 words, tell us why you feel like you deserve to win groceries. It's a 1,000 rand grocery voucher. Yeah, guys, join Nani. I know when you promise a grocery, but he's not going to send it. All men do is lie.
They lie.
All men do is lie. So please do that. Because we want the real Black Squad. Yes, but one episode yote. So yeah, please leave a little short thing. 30 words in the just tell us why. Tell us why. Let it come from your heart. Can I catch a GPT, guys? If we feel also nature GPT
sometimes they're jumpy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, yes, from the heart. Oh, you know why you need groceries. You don't need AI to help you do that. Speaking of AI, how do you feel about AI music? Like Shuka?
Not too. I don't mind it. I don't. At first, I didn't know it was AI. At first, I did TikTok, but I said that sound. Okay, sharp. And then people started having that whole debate. Yes, you need to put thought into it and everything.
I also don't have a problem with it.
I also don't.
Okay, because my chat is, if you were to give me AIs, I wouldn't come. So I feel like it does need you to know a bit about music.
But apparently it's vocalist, but the because now they can get like AI to do that part.
If ukamwezo then mwana muda period ngamshumo guys.
This no kwamba uchiitwa like as technology advances basoko hey but no ita the tech and stuff but those chashuma.
I don't think so. I still think they still need humans because something in me tells me uri now your AI is like somebody has to sit down and think of how to put it together. Do you understand? So I don't think I don't think there's a robot that was made by no one and whatever that just decided we've got all this information. The same way that Google it's the same way that AI is working. It's just more better and more more when you want information. It doesn't take time. So yeah, I don't think it's then because all the information that Google, but we still went and listened to teachers.
True.
What download Google. So I don't think the result of this were totally.
Was there when there's something new? People always have something negative. No, why is this thing here? But let's adapt, man.
Valid.
It's not bad.
Valid. I even forgot to ask you, how was your Valentine's? What did you do for Valentine's?
Oh, I went on a Galentine. My friend and I went out for lunch and then we shopped Sentintude.
Oh,
yeah, so it was a wholesome day. Because we're like Saturday, why not? Let's do that, you know?
Yeah.
And now, wait, I mean.
I was hanging the whole day.
Damn. That
was the plan. This
Friday.
Drink. Come back. Sleep throughout the day.
Yeah, Saturday.
We went out again on Sunday.
Oh wow. But this year it wasn't that crazy because usually like have you watched the commission to a dog committee? It's like the case. But I'm sure we'll post them a good smell.
But no guys,
because there used to be a lot. There used to be Rosie. Oh, I'm talking about Goro. Lerato Hanyaho. But you book at FNB Stadium.
No matter what. FNB. Well, I'm to Amara right now is he's going through stuff. So.
Exactly.
Even if Oringedi, she's not going to post it.
Nabango bangas chaitera abantu babo ngori bakosha buri. Una bungozi hapa bado investigate.
Net kuyenda mbabala ba serious bakule kule ka WhatsApp yanga nje hoboto we. Guys, no.
People need to do better.
You can't be in a relationship during the year and then just go on
Marozu nyana.
No. Ati happy nga WhatsApp yanga.
Yabe dry. Nayo dry.
Hodo we poiye. No stress, no pressure.
Nothing.
Like no one else should have fallen a fala. Like she wanted to sunflower.
Marosa guy. Oh, putero nga cherende.
Like, is that all he got? Okay, one. I got a Valentine's gift.
At least.
Good stuff. No. Not flowers. Like stuff that I needed.
Oh, poster. Yeah, that's a raw post. I'm going to post that. Oh, that's
nobody knows what was inside.
Oh, but at least
it was really thoughtful and cute. Like
things you need. That's the best gift.
I love the fact that he had to think about it.
Yeah, and stuff, which is good.
Which is weird. But whatever. So yeah, I did get Valentine's gifts. It was cute. But I would choose Galentine's over anything.
Galentine's is the best. Oh, it's so wholesome. Now I recommend girlhood.
Then anything else
is the best thing.
That's the hood I'm willing to die on.
Nane, that's the hill. That hill trick.
Which comes back to my question. Do you think girlfriends are the new boyfriends?
No.
Why?
I mean, there's things
very more compared as sexual.
Yeah.
That one.
When did we get the, okay, that but I was gonna touch a bit, but okay.
That one, let's leave it out. You were gonna touch a bit.
Like,
okay, touch it.
No, not like that. But I'm just saying, there's some things that you do with like your partner that you won't do with your friends.
Like what?
What you just mentioned,
okay,
you know. Yeah. Because other things like buying gifts over the out to
the only thing,
like
the only thing my friends don't have is that part of the body. That's it.
Yeah.
Emotionally, they are more available.
Very available.
Gift-wise, my friends take the cup. Even on my birthday, I didn't get any useless gifts. The same way as saying, or you feel like he listened, they listen more.
Obviously, they know you more.
No one in a bottle, you're big and you're pink. Who thinks of that? Because they know how much I love pink.
Me too.
I got very intentional gifts like in like spot on. Atina suzenda and zviwana what am I going to do with this?
Exactly.
No. I always get spot on gifts. And they also, my friends don't really wait for birthdays. Like,
and what do you think?
I think the girl best friends are the new boyfriends.
Where Kazijol?
Because they don't have the other thing.
Unfortunately.
Because honestly, let's be okay. I don't know about you, because any ujolaga they are different. I'm asthmatic. I know who I'm calling first, and it's not a man. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't know. I just feel like the response, also on my birthday, I'd rather be with my girls on my birthday. My birthday is on the 3rd.
Because
also my chat is men don't even have to annoy you intentionally. It's my birthday.
I prefer being alone on my birthday, to be honest.
Yes, okay. Last year I was alone.
Yeah, that part.
But still, my girls over anything.
Panda.
Because I know how much they put in to make me happy. So it's very easy to they shouldn't changar bora. Ungapira muzana amuseza in his mind. You get what I'm saying? And now everything is ruined. And I'm like, no.
That time also go museza for a mistake.
You know, that's when I'm like, yeah. I'm like, yeah, not bad. Smash. So
true.
I really feel like
and
they are slowly becoming that. You know, okay, my girlhood is stronghood. I don't know about y'all. Including my male friends though. Funny enough. And I always say, I feel like what they are to us is not what they are to their people. Because men are like that.
Why, Mar?
I don't know. I think baby even Dores.
Yeah, don't go.
Yeah, so keep your hands up. Keep your hands up because they change. Anyways, yeah, I feel like the way they show up for me is probably not how they show up for their girlfriends. And it's wrong, but I love it here. I'm not complaining. I love it, yeah. Like, honestly. So
speaking of relationships, we're not unstable.
Okay, I always watch it, but I don't really watch it.
Would you be in a polygamous relationship?
Relationship or marriage?
Marriage.
No.
You're guys. Have you the new season?
Would you be in a polygamous relationship?
No, thanks. Marriage? No, none of the above. I've observed it. I've seen what I needed to see, and then the
I think I married you West because Nisha Jenna would you the more and that's crazy.
Because there was that thing of the second wifey, Oshika, and then the family was Rebecca's team and stuff. So she ended up leaving. Then they got back together after the other women also. So Ola Otomanene, she feels like, the second one feels like no mujera position. She thinks she needs to be number 1. Now she's fighting with number 4, Makumalo.
The one that's doing well for herself.
Yeah. Oh, I love her.
I saw her house.
And huge pictures. I love it. I love it when women have their own things. Apparently now, but apparently at Christmas they were together. But anyway, I filmed before. Makuma supported the new wife on number 5, which now I feel like it's valid because actually she wanted them to do IVF. Ulamkara narno ene mini katuko kodoja younger wife to she's number 3, sorry. Ukodoja a younger wife and they have a child and everything instead of affording her that opportunity as IVF and stuff, which I feel like is very unfair.
Yeah.
She's part of this other sponsorship halfway. Oh, there's something my
sorry.
Halfway. She got it. Makumalo. Number 5 goroing. And there's drama in that family. I don't know if you've seen the houses. Yes. But apparently it's because there was a mine, and the mine, but she does lots of drill and whatever they're doing there. It's that's why they moved. And Makumal is part of the board, mini. So it's doing so well. She is doing well.
I love it.
But apparently she is doing well. I saw this other girl trying to break everything down. Apparently Makumalo, she's doing well. Maramadzinadzi company akadzibaka Musa, but she's the one that runs everything. Mini. I'm like, I hope unas chuzwa because that's why I know where to press like so those things.
Why would he even think like that if he loves you, if he's your man?
Do you trust that man?
I don't. Also, it's the same thing when it's but never like a polygamous relationship. Because am I sure she's not calling somebody else? And I feel like it's easier for whenever a polygamous marriage or lady.
Yeah, because
I mean,
exactly.
Come on.
Exactly.
You have 5 other people to think of. Don't think of me.
And apparently, as unazi sugar, Musa, allegedly. So there's also that. Kano yu musha nene, she's young. Ura kubona mini kachikara. I think she thought.
What is it for?
Apparently this is charity because not charity. Sorry, urabe nabana because there was.
He has kids already.
Actually, bakunyaga 20. Bakunyaga urabe nabana 20. I don't know how many years now. 11, 12, something. They are. And what's the panda? Yeah, number. Oh, what mushroom? By the husband. The second one, the Mayen, Kanufashima municipality. The last time I heard at division. And then Wabrani Makumali, you know Makumala. And then number 4 is a nurse. Yes. Number 4 is the thingy. She's a nurse. Number 5, you feel rich some more recently. She's young, she's like 25. Her husband, that will take care of you.
What does she mean?
She didn't say. But it's apparently a 9 to 5. Ardiv. Marima's watch it yet, Gaza. In a drama.
Maginia, we're still good, ne?
Oh, 45. Ropusha.
I wanted to add on. We've got an event here. Did you see the one that he hosted in December? Sentin. Apparently it was sold out.
Sentin. Marabo called bet, obviously.
It's so good. So he's hosting another one. He's hosting another one. The 14th March in Midrand. In No Souls Kawash, Into Deep. If you want to search it for location wise, if you Into Deep. So I saw how that one sold out. And in the day, when each waiter, I don't see the marketing behind it.
Is it?
Yeah,
but you don't make it a He's a legend. He's a legend.
What's your favorite song?
Do I know the names?
Zirime.
What's Kushab?
Venda is horrible. I hope you don't mess it up.
Don't trust me. I know there's like a love song.
Nena Ini.
Yes, I love that. I love it.
It still makes me blush till this day. It's such
cute.
A beautiful song. So I think I will go.
But there's a lot. Oh, Midrand.
Yeah, it's close. I think I'll go. So guys, please, I don't know, the ticket is one at a guy. I didn't really get much information on it. So please get your tickets. Go and support Mukara. Like
he's a legend.
He's all we have, guys.
Na music it's good. Like
his music
very
is good. Ni divanyara na music
catalog
for 25 years.
Na catalog yabo very impressive.
You get it.
So
I remember nena
worth it.
Na
ndikazamba strata ndazo ndichiri
adivana ndo jamba
na fedza ndegana.
So guys, please do support the old man. Yeah, he's our legend. Dr. Colbert Mugabe. So please go to the 14th of March. I don't have much on the time or whatever. I don't know. Maybe Tanga will attach the
more details.
For more details. A guy. I'm pretty sure it's the one and I get any, but
as I get in is
don't take it from me.
Cowring we ticket before, but we're prepared.
Exactly. Yes.
Plus work orders, you know, means nearly month end. You know, if you have money, but I'm ticket which is you have 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks ago? Yeah, it's the 14th.
The 2 weeks, is it?
Yeah, or something like that. Because once you opera, it's 28 on a Saturday. Yeah, so you want to opera onwards, but we're going to ticket to call bet in the next 2 weeks.
Guys, please do go support him. I'm going to be there as well. I'll make sure I show up. I wonder if I'm going to ticketing.
What was this?
Oh, nani kuzokukhuza apha ndo visa mandothe
achigora ndidovandione
ndabutso vibolo renga tikiti na. There's a story that I sent you in the morning. Did you watch it? Yeah.
I bet.
Yeah.
I don't know her name.
Ember and Nada. Awala mfuma ngazibobula yo stepdaughter chabo.
Ndopha there's other lady on YouTube with documentaries of the crime. Yeah, so that's why I heard the story.
Do you know how she killed her?
Madin.
And the way she's explaining it, she's explaining it so calmly. And Otto Dakane, she was playing outside. She was like,
obviously,
she wants to go. She wanted to wash her baby. Then let's go. That's how it happened.
Did she say why she did that?
Just envy. I go for it.
Sure. Maruna Mbirumbi, how do you kill a child with Bisakut? To that extent, because it's deep. Like no muzura, jambra ko move for one, you ko struggle, ko drown.
But guys, if you ever love someone to
that extent,
relationship,
yeah, no, it's not worth it.
Have you ever been with someone that made you feel like you were moving out of character?
No. Tipping. Any?
Yeah, once. Then I left it. That's when
which is good.
Because I started raising my voice and I hardly raise my voice.
Yeah, you don't shout. So
already I've got a raised voice. Already raise this voice. Not really refa, guys. It needs so much.
That's when you knew,
So
it's not worth it.
I started acting out of character. I'm like, no. And he had the audacity to try come back. I'm like,
hey.
Are you trying to kill me? Because
I want no go right one. Just being with someone. Sometimes because when I was leave, man.
And what a cute little baby.
4
years. But my child is also where's the mom?
Didn't I heard apological people that was separate? I think is the one that was raising the child.
And also
yeah, but baby. So whoever can raise the child to their best.
Looking at the world in unity. Guys, okay, if I see someone who has a
child,
little girl. Come see abana ngona bubili wolo ubili abana khuthi yawo aba achizula nabo now you muzana I get stressed out and
achitata
because I don't think it's a safe world, you know.
The
men bonoferelwa dzi SA sexual assault zabana they look very innocent. They look pretty innocent to me. Ndabona chimwe chitori ka TikTok ola mfumakadzi akhamba nori even when it happened rotoma ndabona mwana akako bleed or whatever ndamuisa he was the one that advised me muiseni a doctor
obukhothi mwana
step daddy
kaba ungiwe
uri until lingoduba akho cleaner grachini awana plastic uri zvambo zvamwana zvachi disappear abadi so every time achizvita naye a bleed ola mwana uzvidzumba
rasingozvibona.
Yo, that's why I don't think I'm strong enough for things like this.
How do you even deal with it?
I'm not strong enough for
because,
it. Just the thought of it makes me so mad.
A baby.
It's a baby.
And
now, I could define because it never leaves.
It doesn't.
Do you think Koko is ever going to be the same? No. Never going to be the same.
Never. The relationship do you
get what I'm saying? So, and Yamia Koko is something else because she's like, I didn't do anything wrong. Imagine if you brought a man into the house where you have a little girl.
Mary can never trust. It could literally be anyone. Because it could be like an uncle. It could be anyone.
I get it. You brought this person into our lives.
What's the blame?
And it's always people that don't really even have like like also guys I don't get it
but is that opportunity and over or you ring something or see that 5 minutes
I didn't problem in 5 minutes. My chat is are women so in love to a point in aba umredi bana to because the problem yanga yotoma would be okay I have a little sister she's not little anymore grade 9 ubana guy 14 13 personally if I had a man over, a boyfriend over at my place, and my little sister is there. It's not gonna work. It wouldn't happen. So now my little sister should think because I chose to bring a man in the house. So I feel like this. So because you're thinking of your man. So you're putting your man first. She's just a baby.
She's a baby.
She can come to you naked. So that's not gonna happen. So if a baby cannot even be safe, how naked? Where is the baby going to be safe? Because you chose love over your kids. Like nobody in love, and yes, we want to remarry. Also, women just love marriage too much. You guys exaggerate that nonsense. I don't get it. They're quick to remarry.
Oh, you think they should wait a bit?
Take the kid to boarding school if you hate them that much.
I think I was because they trust this person. So I think this is what's happening. You know, like you never think or this person. Okay, I mean, I've heard stories of some women do like find out but chitungazo, which
they
is
don't.
Blame or we're now mini so crazy business. Mara uri adibi and stuff, because you'd never like just like an akwambori, you'd never think. It doesn't have a face or okay, this person is a rapist or a murderer or a meanie. Like you never know. How
komfa atina problem no temba like the same way you're like, I don't want my kids to go out at night. That you care about, but you're bringing a whole man into your house to come live with you and your kid. It's not even about that. Free. Like, it's the smallest things. I once asked this other lady, oh no, I didn't Kia. Oh, Kia. I don't know good Kia.
Okay. Oh, Kia. No, there's a problem there. Ignore a problem. Ignore.
You guys are mising it. And unfortunately, a lot of women do that.
No, that's crazy.
It's like,
yeah, it's a bit tricky.
Why? Are you really that desperate for marriage? Do you really want a man that much? Rune, those first such a hang up faces and you're going to hate yourself for the rest of your life.
But I think
I don't know. The solution so does it mean I don't understand. But can we avoid it, guys? Okay, also if he's really a man and you see him as a man, why are you bringing him to your home?
What if you end up moving on?
It's fine. You can go
no, but
there
like
for
now
months.
What if you want to be a family now? Maybe you only have one child, you wanna maybe you weren't married with the first baby daddy, now you want to get married, have more kids, you know that thing.
I get it. I'm scared, unfortunately. And then I want to boarding
actually, if you have to even take her to boarding school, don't be with that person because obviously you don't trust them.
But they're going to do it. So let's put the trust aside.
But like,
I'm just saying don't trust any man. I'm not saying for real. They are good dads.
They are good dads.
Mara, how many are they? Like nikobona vakana vahuru zvino vakuambisa vana vavhasiti auchena level ya anything is a woman to them. So
mara kare zvikhoitei sorry, that's what because even like high school you'd hear like mwana wachikoro akojola like a taxi driver or something. That's not zvina predatory ngangomwa because ola mwana ndi mwana divichitu. The adults should be the more, you know, muthu ane adiva better.
But then they don't want to know better. Because
influencer. No influencer.
Cheaper.
Obviously, there's also that.
Two once in a week.
But also like influencing them, it's easier to control one and stuff than mutumurwane.
I think older men that date younger kids are just cowards and they're insecure men.
They're very insecure.
They're not confident enough to come approach us. So they're like, oh yeah, great.
I want to give them my size.
Hey, the 5,000 agently.
Hey, kapose bangani.
Oh baby, I'm moving out to the 21,000. So no, I think Baba was so but also they are not really high maintenance. So they should just go for that.
Like if for what reason?
Do you think you would look at me and tell me what not to wear?
Imagine a somewhere guy when you wanna go out with your friends, guy. Because you can't do that to mutumur. So ngangwana that's why okay exactly. We want a guy audacity. The liver. So yeah,
man. I think women just need to do better. Like Rono Pesa stories. I know the but the fact that people are now vocal about it. There's podcasts. My dad raped me for how many years? My whatever. My stepdad, my uncle, my brother. There's a case in Venda now. Actually,
is it?
I forgot about it. I was so disappointed.
What happened
with his little sister and the girl has a baby now. I need to get
so sibling, but they're siblings and banana. How do you osizisa little sister yavo vona uri ni mufumakadzi
but
okhoberwa
he doesn't even look like muthu anenge abayirwa skora, you know it like.
But that's the thing, azvina look ezvithu mumbulo wawe wosina something wrong. There's something wrong with him. So no, there's no justification for ezvo zvithu kavaungiwe.
True.
Nendimana loungiwa.
No, I feel like Karu marrying gay because
even needle, because they used to like needle and everything.
Because there's also justifying young check
exactly.
Una proof.
Yeah.
And apparently he's been doing it for years. That's my problem.
Sure, Mara, the poor baby.
The poor baby.
I wonder and everything.
No, the girl spoke up.
Oh, thank God.
Apparently she's one automom gonna TikTok live or something. I don't remember. Or the Zumba or something. So this year she won a case. I'm like, oh, then eventually somebody took it.
I'm happy with Mufara, the guy, because I'm sure
doesn't deserve to live.
Yo.
I don't know, Janana, he didn't look like.
What wrong with you don't know what they're thinking.
Guys, women go to know better, guys. Please do. Yo, guys, no. I think this is why I don't want to have kids, because I love kids so much and I get triggered easily. I get emotional easily.
It is true.
So I wouldn't imagine it kawanga. So, guys, please stop being male-centered. So why are you choosing men over your kids? Why? I don't get it. But anyways, I think we need to wrap up.
Yeah, no.
It's getting dark in here. Sunday lunch.
How be you?
Sunday lunch. Where are you guys going?
No, I'm not going. I'm going home.
You're lying.
I am. To work again.
You said you have something to do after.
Yes, I do. But I'm going home now. I might do something.
Yo, you are so secretive. Wait. Come on, we are na wife vera bakun. Like vani vai sta zoraro.
Azoroga na zezo.
Ndiye bala watu supposed to mimi mkao WhatsApp niko kufunga nimecho. Which know the dinner ina mtu kumura. Na msinza kupost the status. Life does not care whether
no, it's just that my plans are not concrete, so that's why I might or might not go out and see a friend.
I was planning on going way, but I'm not going. We are thinking of doing is either we'll go to Nomad or Kana Rogoto Nanga Kanti restaurant, one of the also Lofura. I just had McDonald's before the shit. So I'm just probably
gonna have a drink, something light,
smoke.
Maybe.
Not smoke weed, guys. Happily.
No, I don't smoke.
So the very long and I die happy.
No.
Why? It's too much of a.
I don't like it.
You don't enjoy it?
No, the shapunga vibe.
I like it. It makes me drink less.
Is it? Yeah, but apparently makes you.
Yeah, why am I encouraging Habli, guys? Habli is
don't
bad.
do it.
Habli is horrible. Don't do it. It turns out the piercings.
Nsongo zwito ziyababa.
Ndichumuro ringwana washo angadivuya ariko yengoda piercing. I would faint.
That's
the worst thing.
But there's people I talk to every day, like my sister and stuff, because when I was just like, surprise.
Guys, I'm not saying it's the bed kind, it's the baby.
Yeah.
I'm just scared. Sensitive skin,
don't
pain tolerance.
Do it. It's just, if you want to.
Maybe don't have a magnet. Because this is a magnet.
I don't have never seen.
And then you
Chawera Madin. I'm sure. But I'm sure your name is a magnet.
She is the girl. I need to have a cut. Did you cut this year? Did you cut? Guys, I don't care. I have a little Shein cut. It'll take you a long way.
It will.
And that's the it pushed me. I never got to a point where I had to attend an event and I'm like, Tina,
that's not fit. Yeah.
There's always something. The mix and match, but there's always a new top. Because not in bulk. True. I still have dresses I haven't worn.
That's the thing.
There's always, something. So guys, have a Shein cut, man. It's pretty good. The one that's the Real Housewives car ultimate girls trip. Shein cut.
I still have to watch that. Is it? The one I show Max this year and the one.
Okay, we need to cut it. Hannah show Max. I don't understand why.
No, I got it this year.
Okay, then you have a lot to catch up on.
I do.
Okay, guys, we need to leave. Thank you so much.
Yes.
I'm going to 30 words for groceries. And I know now it's one of the why but do the grocery. Unfortunately, somebody has to do something because we can't afford to give 20 people. So I got to
that's the
thing.
Write something.
They did this to Grace. She made people beg. We're not making you beg. Just tell us why you need it. I got to post the emoji to show that you're really sad. You might just give us your very valid reason. Doesn't have to be a sad story. Doesn't have to be because whatever. If you want food, you want food. Period. Give us your reason. You never know how we might read it. Good mood. So yeah, just do that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. See you guys next week. Next week will be weird.
Next week, yeah.
Next week is I'm here. I'm around. Yeah, we'll shoot during the week.
Bye everyone.
Bye guys. And this is just gorgeous on my on my ring finger. I never know how to explain it, guys. You see, I'm not married. Somebody once sent me a screenshot. I don't marijuana. And I'm like, also, why did you come dinga?
Let's pay. What do you mean?
Baby, I'm a promise. If I had these much pearls, I'm sorry. Like honestly.